Hello everyone, my name is Paul. I'm going to do the presentation on building a motorcycle or a car rental system using C++ language. Let me introduce our group. The first one is Adamari, Taskia, Naftali, Maudina, Mohammed Zikri, Nader Shaban, Rickson Morib, Nobertus. This is the introduction. Making a motorcycle and a car rental system with C++ is an important and relevant topic in today's world. With the rise of ride-sharing services and the need for affordable transportation, creating a rental system that is efficient and user-friendly is crucial. In this presentation, we will explore the different components of rental system and how they can be implemented using C++. The rental system we will be discussing will include features such as tenant and data input, type and brand of car being used, borrowing time, late fees, flowchart, and remaining stock costs. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how these components work together to create a successful rental system. Tenant and data. Tenant and data input is a process critical. Tenant and data input process is a critical component of any rental system. In our system, tenants will be required to provide personal information such as their name, address, and phone number. This information will be collected and stored in a database using C++. To ensure the accuracy of data, we will implement validation checks to verify that the information provided is correct. These checks will include verifying the format of phone numbers and addresses. Additionally, we will use encryption techniques to protect the sensitive data from unauthorized access. Type and brand of a car. The type and brand of a car being used is another critical component of the rental system. In our system, we will categorize cars based on their type and brand. For example, in a motorcycle, we have Honda Astrea, Yamaha PCX, and Suzuki GSX-R. Then in car type, we have Toyota, BMW 14, and Tesla Model S. To implement this in C++, we'll create a class for each category of a car. Each class will contain information about the specific type and brand of car, as well as its availability and rental price. This information will be stored in the database and updated in real time as cars are rented and returned. Borrowing time and late fees. Calculating borrowing time and late fees is a essential aspect of any rental system. In our system, we will calculate borrowing time based on the number of days the car is rented. Late fees will be calculated based on the number of days past the due date that the car is returned. Implement this in C++. We will create functions that calculate borrowing time and late fees based on the rental agreement. These functions will be integrated into flowchart of rental system to ensure that all calculations are accurate and up to date. Remaining stock. Tracking and managing the remaining stock of cars is crucial to ensuring that the rental system runs smoothly. In our system, we'll track the availability of each car in real time and update it as cars are rented and returned. To implement this in C++, we'll create a function that tracks number of available cars for each category. This function will be integrated into flowchart of rental system to ensure that all data is accurate and accurate. The flowchart is an excellent tool for virtualizing the different components of a rental system and how they work together in our system. The flowchart will include processes such as tenant and data input, car selection, rental agreement, and borrowing time, late fees, and return of the car. To implement this in C++, we'll create functions for each process and connect them using a flowchart. This flowchart will be updated in real time as cars are entered and returned to ensure the data is accurate and up to date. This is our flowchart process. As it's shown here, this is the process of rental system from the start up to the end. From the start, you start initialize vehicles, display flowchart, get user choice. If choice, these are the choices given. If choice 5, then go to display flowchart and end. This is our code. Both input and output are all shown here. This is the rental system shown as the output. Yeah, here the car is rented successfully. The tenant data is Zikri. The vehicle is Tesla Model 5. The borrowing time is 17 days. Late fees $153,000 million. In summary, making a motorcycle and a car rental system with C++ is an important and relevant topic in today's world. The rental system will be discussing will include features such as tenants and input data types and brand of car being used, borrowing time, late fees, flowchart, and remaining stock cars. To ensure the accuracy of the data, we will implement validation checks to verify that information provided is correct. Flowchart is an excellent tool for visualizing different components of rental system and how they work together. To implement this in C++, we'll create functions for each process and connect them using the flowchart. The flowchart uh, uh, it's updated in the real time as cars are entered and returned to ensure that the data is accurate and up to date. Thank you for your time.